Do you dream of starting your own wig business, but you do not know where to begin? Well, in this video, I'll take you step by step through everything you need to launch a successful wig brand. Welcome to Grace Hair and Beauty, where we bring confidence and beauty to life. Every successful business starts with the research. Remember, research is the key point. Understand what your target customers want. Do they prefer human hair wigs? Do they prefer synthetic wigs? Do they prefer semi-human wigs? Do they prefer headband wigs? Do they prefer braided wigs? Do they prefer colored fashioned wigs? Name them. Study competitors and spot the gaps that you can fill. Next, choose a reliable supplier. Quality is everything in the wig business industry. Order samples, test the hair, and make sure it can be styled, it can be washed, and it can be reused without losing quality. A strong brand will set you apart. Create a unique business name, design a professional logo, and decide on your brand color. Also, packaging matters too. Classy wig box or maybe silk bags can give your wig a premium feel. You don't need hundreds of wigs to start your business. Begin with small collection. Maybe you can start with 5 to 10 pieces of different styles of wigs. Use feedbacks from your first customer to guide your next stock order. In today's world, social media sells wigs faster than anything else. Set up Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook page for your brands. Post photos, styling tips, and customer reviews. YouTube is also powerful, so share tutorials, styling videos, and transformation. Market your wigs using word of mouth, influencers, and discounts for first-time buyers. Respond quickly, package beautifully, and treat every buyer like royalty. Stay consistent. Don't get discouraged if your sales start slow. Keep posting, keep improving, and focus on building trust with your clients. Surely, your wig business will grow with time. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. And remember, with passion, persistence, you can build your dream wig business. This is Crystal Hair and Beauty. See you in my next video.